So here is the numbering system from Jens Vogt. I only translated this from German to English. So you find here the daily lists from 1 to 9. Here's the monthly list from 1 to 9, and we have here for this means it's for 1. This is always for tenth, and for the hundreds we can take colors. 1 is the color white, black is color 2 is color black, 3 is orange, 4 is silver, gold is 5, green is 6, 7 is red, 8 is blue, and 9 is brown. And for the thousands, we have only a cucumber for 1,000, and cherry for 2,000. You can imagine for the next numbers. You can imagine even what you want, but normally this first cucumber and cherry is enough, because in the history you only need 1,000 or 2,000. So, okay, let's imagine some history years. 1945. So it's cucumber, okay, but we don't need it because normally we know that it's in the thousands. 900, there is the color brown, and you have the 4 in the 10th. 4 is a car, and 5 is the checklist. So you have a brown car, a really brown car, and the who is driving on a lot of checklists. So his wheels are on checklists. So it's so you understand that this list is for 1, this list is for 10, this list is for 100. So you know that's because it's brown, a brown car, it's 945. Checklist is 5. Okay. Then you have 1873. Okay, the ones you can also make imagine a cucumber, but you don't need it because normally you know that. The 8 is blue, and 7 is a dwarf, and 3 is tricycle. So there is a blue dwarf who is always driving with a tricycle who is too big for him, and looks very, very, very crazy. So a blue dwarf is driving with a big tricycle. Okay, this is blue 873. Okay, so 1112. 1112. Okay, it's more really history. 1100. So we have a cucumber. One is white, a white cucumber, and also there's a 3 and 2. And the white cucumber, you find it on a tree, and the tree has pens in. It has a pen. Okay. So the cucumber is for 1,000. White is for 100. The 3 is for 10, and the pens they are for 2. Oh, 2. Yeah, 1112. Okay. Okay, let's see now more easy. 291. 2 is black, 9 is a cat, and 1 is a certificate. So there's a black cat who was the number 1 in everything in his life, at school and everywhere. So he has a lot of certificates with always number 1 on there. Huh? Okay, a black cat, black 900 and 1. Sorry, 2. Black is 2. 291. Okay. 113. So it's for the police in Luxembourg. 1 white, a white 3, and the 3 is driving tricycle. Okay. So you see a right 3 on a tricycle. Okay, so white 3, white is 1, 3, 1, and tricycle is 3. 112 is the same. White 3 who has pants. Okay. You can make your own numbers and try to imagine in colors and in pictures and colors. See you in the next film.